Okay, what we've got here is a spud gun with a 4-inch base, 2 foot long, and a 4-foot barrel, a 2-inch, all Schedule 40 PVC, and I've installed an igniter switch on it, which actually works quite well. I'll show you how that's set up. Got the button in the forward, and the actual igniter itself is mounted on the rear portion of it. Let's see if we can show you how that works. Let's see, far forward, the button and the igniter here in the back. I've actually got it set up. Let's see if we can see it spark here. Oh, yep. It works quite well. Getting about 300 yards. Pretty accurate. And getting about 90% first pull ignition with that setup. And it only took maybe 30 minutes to do. So, have fun. You want to give it a try? Go right ahead. And be safe.